I have a really simple question for you guys. Do you know when working on your car can either go from being extremely easy or to difficult? Well, you came to the right place. Allow me to explain. But before we dive any deeper, this is just a reminder that we are on the road to 500 subscribers. And once we hit that goal, we will be doing a free giveaway. And if we actually hit that goal by the holidays, I'll go ahead and double the giveaway. That means 2 gifts instead of 1. And in order to qualify, you must be a subscriber of the channel and go ahead and like and comment down below. Now, for most cars, swapping an engine filter, a cabin filter, or even doing something as simple as an oil change can be pretty easy. But on some other vehicles, like a Porsche, you might need to remove the bumper or other major components just to be able to access them. Now, I know times are tough and we're all trying to save money, but if you are ever finding yourself second guessing yourself or you're not 100% sure, call a pro. Trying to save a few bucks now could actually cost you a whole lot more in the long run and maybe force you into buying a brand new car or even another used car. Either way, you're spending more money. I also made another video talking about the new 2027 cars that are coming out. And if you guys aren't aware, feel free to go watch it. I'm gonna have it linked down below, right over here at the end of the video. It talks about new cars using cameras to determine whether or not a person is intoxicated and how dangerous this can be. Also, that is a brand new law that takes effect for cars that are 2027 and newer. So let's say you go ahead and buy a used car instead. Well, used cars can be great, but you also need to bring a mechanic with you because if you don't, you could actually be spending $1,000 and just throwing it away in the trash because you could be buying a lemon or there could be other major issues with that car that you aren't aware of. And guys, even if you are mechanically inclined and you don't understand the electrical system, AC current can seriously injure and or kill you. And electrical mistakes can become extremely expensive really fast. So at the end of the day, repair cost depends on what you drive. So if you drive a flashy car, be prepared to spend flashy car money. So what does that mean? All I'm saying is, guys, stay within your means, buy something reliable that can get you from point A to point B, and that will save you a headache in the long run. And if you guys enjoyed this video or learned something new, go ahead and like, follow, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.